Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, good morning everyone. My name is Fitri Anggraini, student number 322324005, and I'm from English Education Department and especially class 4A. Today, in this presentation, I would like to present my final project for the course Learning Planning on English Language Teaching. The title of my teaching module is Developing a Teaching Module for Descriptive Text Tourism Place. This module is designed for 10th grade students and focuses on helping students understand and write descriptive text about tourism place through meaningful and structured learning activities. And the next slide is about module overview. The subject is English for grade 10 students, phase A. The topic is descriptive text and the theme is tourism place. The learning process is designed for one meeting with a time allocation of 2 times 55 minutes. I selected this topic because descriptive text is one of the most important text types taught in senior high school. Through this lesson, students learn how to describe places using appropriate vocabulary, grammar, and text organization. And the next slide is about learning objective. The learning objectives of this module are shown on this slide. At the end of the lesson, students are expected to identify the structures of this descriptive text and recognize their language features. Students are also expected to use adjectives appropriately and apply the simple present tense correctly. In addition, students should be able to write a descriptive text about a tourism place using the correct structure and language feature. This objective focus not only on students' understanding of the theory, but also on their ability to apply what they have learned in a real writing text. And the next slide is about syllabus summary. This slide summarizes the main materials included in the syllabus. The lesson begins with the definition of descriptive text. Students can understand its purpose and characteristic. After that, students learn the generic structure of descriptive text, which consists of identification and description. Students also learn important language features, especially the use of adjectives and the simple present tense. These materials provide students with the foundation they need before pursuing their own descriptive text. And the next slide is about approach, method, and technique. This slide explains the instructional design used in my module. For the first, I use a text-based approach because students learn language through analyzing and producing text. And the second, the method used is genre-based teaching learning cycle, which provide a systematic process of teaching writing. This method helps students move gradually from understanding a text to producing their own text. Several texts are applied in the lesson, including picture observation, text analysis, collaborating writing, and presentation text. These techniques encourage active participation and help students develop both their understanding and writing skills. And the next is about learning activities. The learning activities are recognized using the genre-based teaching learning cycle. For the first stage is building knowledge of the field, or BKOV. At this stage, students observe pictures of tourism places and new vocabulary related to this topic. This activity helps active their background knowledge or prepare them for the lesson. And the second stage is modeling of the text, or MOT. Students read examples of descriptive text and analyze their structure and language features. Through this stage, students gain a clear understanding of how descriptive texts are organized and written. And the next slide is about two learning activities. And the third is joint construction of the text, or GCOT. Students work together in a group to discuss ideas and create descriptive text collaboratively. These collaborative activities allow students to exchange ideas and support one another during the writing process. And the final stage is independent construction of the text, or ICOT. Students individually write descriptive text about a tourism place and present their work. This stage allows students to demonstrate their understanding and apply the knowledge they have gained through the lessons. And the next slide is about learning media. Several learning media are used to support the teaching and learning process. These include PowerPoint presentation, pictures of tourism place, worksheet, an LCD projector, and whiteboard. The use of visual media helps students understand the topic more easily and make the learning process more engaging. The worksheet is also important because it provides opportunities for students to provide analyzing and producing descriptive text. And the next slide is about assessment. This module uses three types of assessment. For the first is diagnostic assessment. It is conducted before the lessons to identify student prior knowledge and vocabulary related to tourism, places, and descriptive text. And the second is formative assessment. The assessment is carried out during the learning process through observation, group discussions, and writing practice activities. The purpose is to monitor students' progress and provide feedback. And the third is summative assessment. At the end of the lesson, students write a descriptive text and present their work. This assessment measures students' achievement of the learning objective. And the next is strengths of the module. This slide presentation the strengths of the module. For the first, it promotes student-centered learning because students actively participate in discussion, observation, and writing activities. And the second, It uses contextual learning by connecting the lesson with real tourism places that students may already know. And the third is collaborative activities encourage communication and teamwork. For the fourth, the module includes a clear assessment system consisting of diagnostic, formative, and summative assessment. And finally, the module supports active participation and meaningful learning experiences for students. And the last slide is conclusion. In conclusion, this teaching module focuses on teaching descriptive text with the theme of tourism place. The module applies a text-based approach and the genre-based teaching learning cycle to support students' learning. Students learn through observation, text analysis, collaborative activities, and independent writing. In addition, the assessment system is designed to support students' learning progress and evaluate their achievement effectively. Through developing this module, I learned the importance of designing structure, student-centered, and meaningful learning activities that helps students improve both their language knowledge and writing skills. I think that's all my presentation today. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.